If you're looking to upscale your property management game with software that's really going to be a game changer, you might just be in the right place today. We're going to have a look at Guesty, and we are going to explore all the ways that it can help you grow your property management as a business. And we are going to go through everything that you need to know. So you can go ahead and use the affiliate link in the description for the Guesty Lite package. You can get $20 off as a new user if you haven't signed up to Guesty, and you can get $500 off onboarding as a Guesty Pro subscriber. So go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Trust me, Guesty is amazing. You're going to want to check it out. Let's get into the video. So the big question is, how do you grow or scale your property management business with Guesty? So in a saturated market, as you would know, standing out really is crucial. Trying to be on the top of the competition is your goal. Guesty provides you with all the tools that you need to enhance your efficiency, improve your guest experiences, and ultimately drive growth. But how exactly does it help? Let's dive in deeper. What actually is Guesty? So to start, Guesty is a leading property management platform that specializes in short-term rentals. It combines various management tools into one comprehensive solution, allowing you to focus on your growth rather than getting bogged down with everyday tasks. You don't want to be running around. You want to focus on the important things. With all of these wonderful, shiny buttons and gadgets, is it a simple platform to use? Well, simply put, yes, it is. Guesty's platform is designed for ease, enabling property managers like you and I to quickly adapt and start using its features without extensive training or even spending a long time trying to figure it out. If you haven't had enough reason yet, why use Guesty? Guesty streamlines operations, it minimizes manual effort, and it enhances your guest satisfaction because guess what? At the end of the day, that is the reason that you are here. Guest satisfaction. These factors are essential for retaining guests and securing repeat bookings, which are vital for growth. You want to build relationships with your customers, not just have them buy or rent from you once. Some of the things that you can look out for on Guesty is its automated communications, which allows you to preset messages for inquiries, check-ins, check-outs, and so much more. It also has integrated payment solutions. It has analytics and reporting tools that allows you to dive deep and make data-driven decisions. And then also it has customizable listing management, so you can easily update property listings across all of the platforms that you are using, which really makes it simple to manage everything in one central place. To wrap things up, if you really are serious about upscaling your property management business here in 2025, Guesty is definitely a partner that you need to hook up with. Now, don't forget about those affiliate links that I did drop in the description below. Go ahead and use them to your advantage. Trust me, it is going to be a bold move and it's going to put you ahead of the competition. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.